Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smartband by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smartband by using the phone application, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the Honor Health application, of course. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Honor Health application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. In the app, you will see the health page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page, and on it there should be Honor Band 7 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it, then scroll down through this page, find the option called Restore Factory Settings, and once you find it, tap on it, then tap on OK, and wait. The band will disappear from the device page in your app, and also it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.